Eid al-Azha is celebrated in the month of Hajj. It is to honor the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. The Prophet Abraham alayhi salam was willing to sacrifice his son because Allah commanded him to. Seeing his obedience, Allah Ta'ala, the most merciful, sent a sheep for Prophet Abraham alayhi salam so he could sacrifice that instead of his son. And this is why Muslims sacrifice different animals like goats and cows. It is to constantly refresh the memory of the sacrifice Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was willing to make, his obedience, and the mercy that the Almighty showed as a reward for these actions. So what should Eid al-Azha do for you? The sacrifice should strengthen the lessons of obedience to the Almighty and faith in His mercy. What else? The animals must be treated well and taken care of both before and during the sacrifice. You must show compassion and respect. What else? You must include the less privileged and treat them as your equal. After the sacrifice, the meat must be shared equally and distributed amongst those who deserve it. And you're not done yet. After the sacrifice, it is important to clean up in and around your home. Say it with me. After the sacrifice, it is important to clean up in and around your home. Only then can you wish everyone Eid Mubarak.